Hey guys, welcome back to Lori's Tech Time, and I have a new Gadget Discovery Club unboxing for you today. Let's get to it. True wireless earbuds. That's cool because I was just saying that I needed some new earbuds. I don't have any of the Apple earbuds, so this Gadget Discovery Club box runs me about $30-something a month, so I doubt that it'll be as good as Apple earbuds, but I'm willing to give it a try, so let's check it out. Cool. Wear my hair like this. Get me down. This opens up like this. So you charge them. Sure exactly what these are. Guess you replaceable little hook things here. I guess you can use those as a hook to keep up with them. Oh, I was gonna be mad because I didn't think it came with the cord. Okay, it came with a cord and a USB on this side, and I guess that's USB-C on this side. All right, so they're in here in the pod, charging in the pod. It said power on, battery low, pairing. I don't know. Whatever it says pairing. I guess it's got a little bit of battery. And it says pairing, but I don't know what it's pairing to. I'm gonna try to pair it on my iPad. Okay, so I'm gonna charge it, and I'll come back and let you guys know how it does. All right, I finally got it connected, so I'm gonna try it out. Well, they're falling out of my ear. All right, so the right one's only one charged. It sounds pretty good. To play or pause, tap the multifunction button on either earbud. Is that? Well, I tapped it and I was watching YouTube and it paused the YouTube. So that's pretty cool to me. And then I tap it again and it's playing. That's neat. To increase the volume, the multi-function button on the right ear. Long touch it. Oh wow, it's turning it up. To decrease it, long touch multifunction on the left earbud. My left earbud went dead, but the right one worked. Skip to next track, double tap. It went to the next video on YouTube. That's neat. Skip to the previous track, double tap the left earbud, but it's dead. So, oh. It worked. Double. That's so neat. I like that. So, other than it kept pulling on my ear, maybe I'm just not using them correctly, but it's pretty neat how you can do that. I'll be using these to watch YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.